Hey guys, it's Russell here, and we're going to be selling my nuts ViewFinder. 680 keys. It's my friend Hank, and he was able to collect the pure for it. He's a nuts and bolts collector, so hey, he knows great taste. That's all I'm saying. Sorry, it's my cat. But yeah, we're gonna be sending the trade. Then yeah, just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna miss this ViewFinder. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, it's gonna be worth it. 680 keys, 680 keys. It's gonna be worthwhile. It's gonna be worthwhile. Let me just get this freaking sent, and we should be good. And then to confirm it, because I'm using this for my price suggestion. Sorry, it's my cat. He's really nearby. He's just purring. Yeah, 680 keys. I'm going to confirm it as well. I confirmed it already, and my homie was asking, hey, like, you know, did you confirm it yet? But yeah, I should be there. And yeah, that's about it. Unless Steam confirms it, because it is a lot of items. Let me see one more time. Says there's an issue. Okay. But yeah, 680 keys. We don't have to count it. I believe it's 680. So yeah, 680 keys. About a year and 3 months ago, I sold it for about 600 keys. I paid 780 before, which was the equivalence of 350 keys at the time. It was August 2022. It's crazy, man. Now it's 2024, January 2024, and yeah, it's crazy, man. How time flies. I'll go back on the TF2 really quickly. It's confirmed, and yeah, that's a wrap. Jeez, man, crazy. 680 keys.